Hi, today we're talking about what happens if your road traffic accident claim actually goes to trial. If your road traffic accident claim proceeds to a trial, it will be conducted in the state courts if your claim is for an amount less than $250,000, but it will be conducted in the High Court if the claim exceeds that amount. At the trial, the purpose of the trial is for you and the other parties to present the evidence and arguments for the court to decide on two main issues. The first is the issue of liability, meaning who is responsible for causing the accident. Second is the issue of quantum, how much compensation should actually be paid by the parties responsible. These are the two main issues. In terms of liability, the court can decide that one person is fully responsible for the accident, or that a few persons are also partially responsible for a certain proportion or percentage each. The parties' respective proportion or percentage of liability is important because the court will later divide the total amount of compensation amongst the parties according to their own share. If the court has decided that you yourself were responsible for, let's say, 20% for the accident taking place, meaning if your negligence had contributed to the accident being caused, then you would only receive the remaining 80% value of the total compensation sum that is being awarded. If you're successful in the trial and you win the case, so to speak, the court will award you an amount of legal costs paid to you by the losing party, and this is called the party and party costs. There are two different types of costs that you should know about in this situation. The first is party and party costs, which are the legal costs that a losing party is responsible for paying to the winning party. Second is called solicitor and client costs, but these are the legal costs that you yourself are responsible for paying to your own lawyer. If you win your case and you can use your party and party costs towards paying your own solicitor and client costs, it is important to remember that solicitor and client costs can exceed party and party costs. So you need to be able to pay any additional amount. For example, some parties choose to pay this additional amount using money and funds from the amount of compensation that's been awarded. If you unfortunately lose your case, you'll need to pay both the solicitor and client costs for your own lawyer's legal costs, as well as the party and party costs awarded by the court to the winning side. So there you have it, some very basic information on what happens at a trial for a road traffic accident claim. Thanks for watching.